In 2026, print on demand is one of the lowest risk ways to start making money online, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do it step by step, starting from nothing. The best part is that everything I'm about to show you uses free tools, so I'll break down the exact platforms, the exact strategy, and how to get your first sale without spending a dime on ads. Stick around to the end because I'm going to be also showing you a free tool that most people don't even know about that can save you hours on every single design. Let's get into it. Okay, let's go ahead and start out with the question of what is print on demand. Here's how print on demand works in very plain English. You design a product like a t-shirt, a hat, a poster, whatever it may be. You list it in an online store where a customer buys it, and then the print on demand company like Gelato that we're going to be talking about in today's video prints your design on the product and ships it directly to the customer. So you never touch the product, you never buy inventory, and you never ship a single thing. Now I know, and I've seen many people pose the question of whether or not it is too late to start a print on demand business, and my personal answer is no, it is not too late. The reason that 2026 is the perfect year to get started running this business is because the tools have gotten insanely good. Free AI design generators, free storefronts, global fulfillment networks that print locally so your customers get their orders super fast. And you guys, the print on demand market hit over 12 billion last year, and it's growing at roughly 26% per year. This shows that there has never been a better time to jump in, especially if you're starting with no money. Now I know what you're thinking, if it's so easy, why isn't everybody rich? The harsh truth here is because most people either never start or they do it completely wrong. They pick bad niches, they use generic designs, and they don't market their product. So right now I'm going to help you avoid all of that. So let's start with the most important decision, picking your niche. Now the golden rule here is that your niche is everything. Let me go ahead and give you guys an example of how you can pivot off of what works and a good example of what a niche actually looks like. So you don't want to just go in selling funny t-shirts, right? You want to sell funny t-shirts for ICU nurses, or motivational posters for new dads, or pet portraits for dog owners. Those are all specific niches that you can get into so that you can target a specific audience. So the more specific, the easier it is to stand out and get found by your target audience. So now let's go ahead and talk about the free methods to finding a profitable micro niche. Number one is utilizing TikTok and Instagram Reels. So you're going to go in and you're going to search for print on demand or custom merch and see what's going viral. What communities are excited about, what merch are they excited about right now, and what is actually selling. The second free method is utilizing Reddit and Facebook groups. You guys, these are going to be your best friend. So you can go in and you can browse hobby and interest groups. When people say, I wish there was a shirt that said XYZ, that's your cue. The third free tool here is utilizing Google Trends. So you can go in, type in a niche idea, and see if interest is growing, flat, or actually declining. You want rising or steady interest in whatever topic you're exploring. Number four is utilizing the Etsy search bar. So going in and looking at the autocomplete suggestions, those are real searches from real buyers, and it's also free to do. The next free tool is Amazon Merch Bestsellers, and that's to see what's already selling. So you're not going to go copy, you're just going to identify the categories and themes that customers are already buying. You're going to get that niche validation so that you know whatever you're choosing is actually a sellable product, and then you know to go from there. So you're not going to be copying, but you're just drawing inspiration from what's working. A couple of really great questions to ask yourself with this first step of starting your print on demand store is, can you come up with at least 10 unique design ideas without struggling? The next one is the niche specific enough that you can target it with organic content? Once you've got a great niche in mind, let's go ahead and move into how to create those designs for free. So the great part about this is you do not need to be a graphic designer. I'm really serious, you guys. Some of the best selling print on demand products are simple text-based designs. So I am talking about a really clever or funny phrase in a clean font on a t-shirt. But even if you want something more visual, there are incredible free tools in 2026 that make this ridiculously simple to do. The very first tool that I want to mention here is Gelato's Design Studio, which is actually the print on demand platform that you can use. And the Design Studio is free to use inside of Gelato. So it's the simplest way to come up with designs for your products, especially if you're doing simple text-based options. So there's no need to even use a third-party design software or platform. However, I do want to go over more options that you may find helpful if you do want to venture out and do more than just text-based designs. So the first one is utilizing Canva's free tier. So everything inside of Canva is obviously not offered in their free tier, but here is what is offered. So they have design tools and assets that are free. So full access to the drag and drop editor, including photo editing, font styling, layout tools. It includes a library of over 250,000 free templates and over 4 million free graphics, photos, fonts. All of that good stuff is included in their free version. It also is going to allow you to download in standard file formats, like PDF, PNG, JPG. That way you can actually take that design you create in Canva and add it onto your product in Gelato. Now, the second free option for coming up with designs for your products is free AI image generators, and there are a few that you can start out with. Bing Image Creator is free and it's powered by Dolly. You also got Leonardo AI. It's got a free tier with daily credits, and you guys can use these to generate unique artwork and then refine them in Canva. Keep in mind the background remover is not included in Canva's free version. The next tool that's free that you can use to design for your products is Kittle. They have a free tier and they have incredible text warping, vintage effects, badge style layouts. It's also built specifically with merch or print-on-demand sellers in mind, and it's also great for quote-based shirts, quote-based designs, and retro style designs. Now, whenever I said that Canva doesn't offer the background remover, that's so to say if you were to get a design in Canva, you can't actually remove the background before you put it on a product, so it would have like a white background. So let me provide you guys a free tool that you can use to actually remove backgrounds. So this tool is called remove.bg and also Maki. Remove.bg strips backgrounds for free, and then the Maki generates realistic product mockups at no cost with over 25 different categories. Okay, now let's move into design tips that actually sell. So like I already mentioned, you can start with text-based designs. They're the fastest to produce and often the best sellers that you're going to find. You can use bold, readable fonts, not script fonts or anything too small that's hard to read on a shirt. You can design for the product. So a poster design is very different from a mug design. So you're going to want to focus on the product that you're going to offer and design for that specific product. That's going to save you time. Create 10 designs before switching niches. So consistency is going to beat randomness. Don't just open a store and randomly put a bunch of different items. That's not the way to start, you guys, and you won't make a sale. Okay, so you've got your niche, you've got your designs. Now you need the engine behind your business and the company that actually prints and ships your products. So this is where a lot of people get tripped up. So let me make it really simple for you guys. The platform I'm going to be using and walking you through today is called Gelato. You can get started with Gelato for absolutely free. No subscription is required. With Gelato's free plan, you're going to get unlimited product creation, global fulfillment network, so over 140 print partners in 32 different countries. That's extremely important. So when somebody in London orders something from you, they have a production partner that's close to them, so they're going to get their item quicker. They also have integrations with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, all of that, and they also provide a basic mockup generator. Now I want to go ahead and head into Gelato, and I want to do the complete walkthrough for you guys to understand how to set up shop. If you want to follow along with me for completely free, there is a link in my description box down below that's going to take you right over there to the Gelato platform. You can select get started and you can walk through this with me. So the very first step is to go ahead and go to gelato.com or click the link in my description, sign up with your free account, and then you can go to the product catalog and browse the products that are available. Definitely give yourself time during this portion and look at all of the products that they have to offer. Here's where you're going to select the product that you feel you best align with or that you want to create for in the beginning. After you have selected your product, you are going to go in and upload your designs onto that product. After that, you're going to follow the prompts to upload this into your shop. So you can use Gelato's mockup generator here to create your product images. You're going to set your retail price, and I would suggest aiming for at least 30 to 50% profit. And then you're going to want to connect your storefront, and we're going to set that up next. I am going to be showing you guys the free options for a storefront. There are storefronts that you're going to have to pay for, but there are a couple of free options. Now, a quick note here is that Gelato does have a Gelato Plus plan that you pay for. It's a paid tier, and that gives you up to 25% off of your products, premium mockups, a personalization studio, and more. So you absolutely do not need this to start out with. However, once you start bringing in sales, this can be a big game changer for you. It can save you on upfront costs and can actually make you money in the long run, can help you design some really beautiful mockups. So they have the AI magic mockup generator, and just a couple of sales can easily pay for the subscription itself. It's just something to keep in your back pocket as you scale. Okay, so your designs are done, your Gelato account is ready to go, you've put your designs on products, now you need a place to actually sell. Now, because this video is for $0 startup, we're going to be focusing on getting started with stores that offer free sign up. However, there are paid options. I'm just going to touch on just a bit, just so you guys know of them, but let's start out with the free options, and the very first one is TikTok Shop. You guys, TikTok Shop is absolutely blowing up. I have a video coming out of how to get started with a TikTok Shop because I have seen so much content of people becoming millionaires on TikTok Shop. But it is free to set up. There's no monthly fees. Products show up directly in your TikTok videos, your profile, your live streams, and Gelato connects directly with TikTok Shop. So the integration is totally seamless. So this is going to be best for creators who are already making content, or for people who are willing to post reels or TikTok style videos so that you can get your products out there and get your products seen. TikTok Shop actually has a lot of organic reach potential, and one viral video, you guys, can generate hundreds of sales. The next option is Redbubble or Merch by Amazon. This is a passive play. It is 100% free, so you can upload designs. They handle everything, including the storefront. You earn a royalty on each sale. You do have lower margins, but zero effort after you upload. This one is best for testing designs and earning while you build your main store. Option number 3 is Shopify. I am saying Shopify because they do offer a few-day free trial. I also have a Shopify affiliate link in the description box down below. It's going to get you access to your first 3 months for only $1. So almost $0 startup with Shopify. With Shopify, you get full control over your brand, over your domain, and over your customer experience. So you are going to have to spend a little bit more time setting up shop. But once you set up shop, your profit margins are much higher because the seller platform isn't taking a percentage. The last option I want to mention is Etsy, but Etsy is absolutely not free. They've actually started to charge $29 to start up a shop, and then they also charge 20 cents per listing. So you're going to have a little bit of capital to get started selling on Etsy. Now, once you've decided on your shop, all you have to do is open up an account, go back to Gelato, go to the store tab, go ahead and select whichever store that you've signed up with, connect them, and then after that, any product you create will go directly into your shop. Okay, now let's go ahead and move into how to actually get your first sale for free. This is where 90% of people fail. They set up a store, they connect it with their print-on-demand platform, they list 5 products. A week later, they assume the business doesn't work and they quit. Do not be that person. Here is how you actually get your first sale without spending $1 on ads. The very first strategy here is utilizing SEO. So you are going to go on platforms again like Etsy, TikTok. You're going to search for popular items in the same niche you chose, and you're going to look for keywords that are in those listings. After you find those keywords, you can front load your listings with those keywords. You're going to write descriptions with natural keyword integration. You can also utilize free tools like eRank or Marmalade's free tier to find search volume for whichever product you're creating. And the goal here is to show up when someone types exactly what it is you're selling. So these buyers already have purchase intent, which makes this one of the most powerful sources of early sales. Strategy 2 is utilizing TikTok or Instagram Reels. That's an organic gold mine. So you're going to post 3 to 5 short videos per week featuring your products, film yourself designing the products, screen recording Canva. Again, like I stated earlier, one viral video can generate hundreds to thousands of sales. So organic TikTok and Instagram content can go a long way. The next strategy that's free is to utilize Pinterest. So you're going to create pins featuring your product mockups, link those directly to your Etsy listings or your Shopify store or your TikTok shop, whatever it may be. Pinterest pins also have a much longer lifespan than social media posts. Now here's a key point that I want to emphasize and put on screen here. Your first 10 sales will probably come from hustle, not algorithms. So you're going to put in 30 minutes a day on marketing, adding quality listings to your new store. What I've personally noticed about my Etsy store is that anytime I go in and add a new item, both my store visits and clicks into my products increase. So this showed me early that when I'm active, Etsy favored that. So I feel like in most seller platforms, that's going to be the case. So you're going to need to dedicate time to uploading new products and ensuring the listings are of great quality. Now let's go ahead and move to scaling from $0 to your first $1,000 month. I'm going to give you guys a 30-day action plan. Week 1 is going to be the foundation. That's when you're going to be picking your micro niche. You're going to be validating it through, Etsy search, TikTok shop search, Google Trends, Pinterest, things like that. You're going to create 10 designs in Canva. Text-based designs are fine to start. You're going to sign up with Gelato for free, create your first 10 products, open up your new shop, and list those 10 products with those SEO optimized titles, tags, those keywords are all throughout the listing. Now week 2 is going to be your marketing launch. So that's when you're going to post your first 5 TikTok reels or Instagram reels showcasing your products. You're going to also create pins for each product that you've created, and you're also going to want to order 1 to 2 samples from Gelato to photograph, unboxing videos, things like that. In week 3, you're going to want to iterate and expand. So you're going to want to add 10 more designs based on what is getting traction. Now in week 4, you're going to want to optimize and reinvest. So that's when you're going to want to analyze which products sell, which products don't, and you're going to want to remove dead weight. So if you've got consistent sales or consistent traffic or clicks on any specific product, you're going to want to double down on that product. All right, guys, look, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this thing is easy money. It is not, but what it is simple. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the tools are free. The platforms are free. Gelato, which is your print-on-demand platform, doesn't charge you until you make a sale. The only investment is your time and your creativity. And honestly, that's the most valuable investment that you can make. The way I look at it is the worst case scenario here is that you get to learn new skills. The best case scenario here is that you build a business that pays you while you sleep. Again, you guys, I do have a direct link to Gelato in the description box down below. It's free to start. They don't charge you until you make a sale. It's the same platform that I just walked you through and that I also use myself on some of my products. If you guys found this helpful at all and in any way, please hit the like button down below. As always, thank you guys so much for all of your continuous support, and I do look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.